You guys down with that? All right, we're gonna do runner-up first. Poet, tell us. Pick the middle one. The middle one. Tell us who the runner-up is, and then Jillian is gonna come and announce the winner. And you're gonna tell us about the bands and how they're gonna get on via the online voting. The ones that do not move on here. The runner-up 2013, as mentioned by the poet, is...
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone at Game Changer wholeheartedly welcomes Love Electric.
Wow, Love Electric. Should we do, Matt, will you do one? Come on, you got the button. We're going to do the second runner-up.
No, because we're definitely...
And Jillian, you'll read the winner, so it'll be really quick. You'll go first, Matt. Second runner, Jillian will announce the winner. Jillian's going to explain real quick how you guys are going to vote if you did not make it today, how you're going to get back on Skate and Surf. It's very important. We also want to know, we took Soul Melodic with us to Skate and Surf, so they're on, and then there's one more, Mike. Who We Are coming with us as well. So that's how many right now do we have? We have 7 announced, plus 2, that's 9, and we have 2 more. There should be 12. There will be, right? Okay, 12. Right, good. So here you go.
Beginning tomorrow, it's only going to be live online for 2 days. Absolute Punk is going to host a survey for us that all of you can go and vote on. Anybody that bought a ticket, anybody that's not here, anyone you can contact online. We're going to take all of the bands who played today that didn't earn a festival slot. There's 2 wildcard slots that are going to be open, and your fans can vote your way in. And that's courtesy of some of the festival sponsors. They want to help get more of the local bands on the site. So 2 more of you who are not going to get announced tonight will wait to stay.
All right, Matt, you ready? You're going to read second runner-up, Jillian. You're going to have to be right behind him to yell the winner's name so that we can all get excited. All right, here we go. Hold on, you hold the mic.
Here we go. Second runner-up for Skate and Surf 2013 is Warden and Fame.
Yes, the winner Wow. I present to you the 2013 Great Contest Champions, Paris Motorcycles. Wow. You guys gotta say something.
Thank you guys so fucking much.
So I just want to say, let me just gather my thoughts here because I'm on the verge of tears here. Yo, this whole band came together like 6-7 months ago. I went to high school with Jeff. I found this guy out of nowhere. He's from California. I found John because of YouTube. Dude, and Dylan moved down here from Buffalo with nothing. Dude, whatever it is, brought us together. And I just want to thank my God, because straight up, dude, like, I don't even know what to say, yo. This is unreal.
All right, big question. What day do you guys want to play? Fall Out Boy or Macklemore? Can't remember. I would say take the Sunday. Sunday, I would take it. Sunday? Sunday, let's go. So, since they took the Sunday, we're going to move one band more from today when we announce the schedule.